Sometimes it feels like you never have enough free disk space. Every app you install takes up valuable room on your main drive, and you might eventually run out. Here's how to check how much you have left. First, open File Explorer. To do so quickly, press Windows plus E, or click the folder icon in your taskbar if File Explorer is pinned there. You'll also find File Explorer in your Start menu. Click This PC in the left column. Under Devices and Drives, you'll see your main system volume, C, and any other drives in the computer. Windows shows the amount of free disk space on the drive directly below the drive's name. Second, you can check free space in the Settings app. Search for Storage in the Start menu or taskbar search and click Storage Settings. Scroll down a bit in the storage window and click View Storage on Other Drives under More Storage Settings. You'll see a list of every storage device attached to your PC, internal and external. If you're running low on space, consider freeing up storage by uninstalling programs you no longer use.